Because Cancer Wisdom is our video series where we answer your questions about cancer. Click the link below if you want to ask us questions about your issue. Also subscribe to our channel if you want more info about natural cancer remedies. So the question in this video is, how can you treat cancer if you have a minimal income? There are several steps you can take to treat cancer on a budget. One way to save money is to stop eating any animal products. Meat is not only expensive but also detrimental to our health. There are several things in animal products that can increase your risk of cancer, such as IGF-1, heme iron, heterocyclamines, and saturated fat. Ditch all animal products and eat vegetables. Vegetables don't contain as much calories as meat products. Therefore you need to eat more food on a plant-based diet. One great way to save money on a vegan diet is to center it around starch-based vegetables. Starch is a white, odorless, tasteless powder. Plants use it to survive the winter, regrow the next year, and to reproduce. Starch should be the basis of your diet, and vegetables should have a smaller part. Eating non-starchy vegetables will make you feel hungry within hours. Starch is a cheap way to get enough calories on a plant-based diet. Because of the slow release of glucose, you won't feel hungry right away. Starchy vegetables contain enough calories to meet the energy requirements of an active person. Some vegetables that contain more starch include potatoes, sweet potatoes, beans, peas, lentils, and grains such as barley, corn, rice, and wheat. You can eat only vegetables if you want, but your grocery bill will go through the roof. You can easily spend up to $600 per month on a raw food diet without any added starch. Eat whole foods and stop buying processed foods, including oils. Vegetable oils are void of nutrients and don't give you any health benefits. There are various ways you can cook your meals without using oils and fats. Another way to save money if you have cancer is to plan your meals. You are less prone to overspending if you have a meal plan. There are many smartphone apps you can use to plan your meals. One app that I like is Paprika. Paprika allows you to save your favorite recipes and then create a shopping list. This app will protect you from impulse shopping. Another way to spend less on food is to set a monthly budget. Buy with cash if you tend to overspend. Go to the store only once a week or every second week. Fewer trips to the supermarket make it easier to stop wasting money. An app I use when I'm in the supermarket is IntelliList. This app allows you to add food items to your list and then select the price and quantity. In this way, you can see how much you spend in every given moment. Check for discounts in the store. Buy products in bulk if you use them a lot and there is a sale. Look for coupons in newspapers to save some additional money. Use apps that display current deals in your area. Go to cheaper stores like Walmart to get more bang for your buck and avoid expensive stores. Remember only to buy what you need. If you want to buy more organic products but can't afford them, at least buy the least sprayed produce non-organic. EVG creates an annual list of the most sprayed produce on the market. So avoid buying things from their daily dozen list and buy them organic. Another way to save some money is to go to your local farmers market and buy in bulk. Growing your own vegetables is another money saver. Gardening can be hard and frustrating if you do it the old school way. A better way to grow your own vegetables is to use the square foot gardening technique. In this method, you create a simple frame that you can put on top of your garden. You then fill the box with a unique soil mixture which uses compost, peat moss, and vermiculite. This mixture makes it incredibly easy to grow vegetables with great results. Because you use your own mixture, you don't have to deal with weeds or other problems. There's no need for any good soil because you grow your vegetables above the ground. This means that you can use this method even on concrete tiles. Grow vegetables on your balcony or roof terrace and get fresh vegetables. Square foot gardening uses only 20% of the space of a regular garden. You can buy the Square Foot Gardening book on Amazon or other bookstores. Stop eating out if you want to save more money. Restaurant food is often not nutritious enough and may use vegetable oils. Eating out can become expensive in the long run. Make sure to prepare meals at home and stop going to restaurants. Cancer manifests in the body after a toxicity crisis, so one great way to fight it is to detox your organs. So there are many cheap detox remedies you can use to cleanse your organs. The liver and gallbladder cleanse is a cheap and effective method to purify your liver. You can also cleanse your colon with cheap enemas. In our free resource library, you can download several ebooks that tell you how to cleanse your organs. Exercising several hours per week can decrease your cancer risk. Scientific evidence shows that physical activity delays death from all causes. You can exercise for free by walking or bicycling, so make sure to exercise every day if you can. Another cheap way to fight cancer is to drink enough clean water per day. Proper hydration keeps things flowing in your stomach and prevents constipation. It also makes minerals and nutrients more accessible to the body. Water also transports waste products in and out of our cells. The water in the US may contain toxins such as fluoride and chlorine. One way to purify your water is to buy a Berkey water filter. It's the most economical water purification system available. This filter removes pathogens, heavy metals, pharmaceutical drugs, rust, and more. With the Berkey you can filter about 6,000 gallons of water before you have to change the black filters. This arrangement will cost you about 2 cents per gallon and last for years. Getting enough sleep per day is another cheap way to fight cancer. Your body needs enough sleep per day to recover and repair itself. Sleep is an essential physiological process for humans and most animals. Immunity diminishes as fatigue increases. Suppressing your natural cycles makes it harder for your body to fight cancer. So make sure to sleep 8 hours per day and go to bed no later than 10 p.m. Stress and emotional trauma are one major reason why we see more cancer in the world. Repressed anger is a common trait in many cancer patients. We have done several videos on the emotional connection to cancer. Tumors often manifest after a shocking event that puts the patient off guard. Addressing your emotional trauma might have a great impact on your cancer growth. The healing methods you can use to deal with your trauma are free and easy to use. One way to stop wasting money on your cancer treatments is to not buy supplements. Supplements often don't work and are a waste of your money. The only supplements you should take is B12 if you eat a vegan diet. You should also get vitamin D from the sun if you can. Go on a vacation during the winter and visit a warm place instead of taking a pill. Get your vitamins by eating a whole food plant-based diet, as a supplement will never compare to real food. Starches, vegetables and fruits are the best way to deliver these nutrients to the body. The best way to save money if you have cancer is to stop using standard cancer treatments. These methods are not only toxic and dangerous, but also extremely expensive. Each year cancer costs the world more money than any other disease. For people with health insurance, the concern might not be as great. But some insurance plans won't cover the most expensive treatments. Surgery is one of the most common ways to treat cancer. Doctors use it to diagnose or remove tumors. Cancer surgeries can cost anything from $14,000 to $80,000. The costs include admissions, readmissions, physician services, and other fees. Chemotherapy is another way to treat cancer. It involves killing cancer cells with chemicals. Chemo treatments in the US are expensive. The cost depends on your cancer type. Colon cancer is the most high-priced. The average costs for all lengths of treatment range from $28,000 to $34,000. A year of chemo can cost up to more than $100,000. Radiation therapy is another form of expensive cancer treatment. It involves the use of intense energy beams, usually X-rays, to kill tumors. Radiotherapy kills both healthy cells and cancer cells. The cost of radiation therapy depends on your cancer type. Typical costs for all lengths of treatment averaging 2 months range from $23,000 to $25,000. YouTuber Courtney once revealed her cost of her brain cancer treatment. One brain surgery cost her $80,147.23. She had 43 treatments of radiotherapy that cost $1,680 each, with a total cost of $55,400. Chemo just for the radiation cost her $2,877.89. 5 chemo pills per month for 1 year after the radiation added another $14,400 to her bill. Courtney's speech therapy set her back $168 per session. She had 24 visits, which amounted to $4,032. So her total cost for her brain cancer treatments was $156,897.12. This figure did not include her fees for her regular doctor visits. The same amount of money spent on her treatments would have gotten her a 4-bedroom townhouse in Florida. Courtney shot this video in 2017. so her spendings went up even more after she had more chemo treatments. The biggest money saver by far is not to use standard cancer treatments. The whole cancer industry is a racket. It's all about making money, not curing people. As long as Big Pharma can influence our Congress, the price will not decrease. So by using natural remedies, you can save a fortune. Thanks for watching, and I see you soon.